There is a place called Jamaica. It is packed with beautiful women. They are chatty and friendly. They are warm and bright. They dress neat and tantalizing. They are smart and brave. They are wife material.